Hello and welcome back to College Dunya. In this video, we will discuss the detailed overview of data interpretation and logical reasoning section for CAT 2025. The DALR section will test candidates' ability to analyze data and apply logical thinking under time pressure. In CAT 2025, this section is expected to have 22 questions. Candidates will get 40 minutes to solve 4 to 5 sets. Each set may have 4 to 6 questions. The question will be mix of MCQs and type in the answer questions. You will get 3 marks for each correct answer, and in MCQs 1 mark will be deducted for each incorrect answer. There is no fixed syllabus for this section, but some topics appear frequently. Under data interpretation, you will get questions based on tables, graphs, case studies, and data sets. These will test your logic more than your calculation. For logical reasoning, you will face arrangement puzzles, Venn diagram, grouping puzzles, and more. Hybrid sets combining both DI and LR are also increasing in numbers. In DI, you will need to deal with large data sets that require both logic and quick decisions. For example, tables with profit and loss data or ratios, graphs comparing year-wise trends, pie charts which shows sectorial composition, case studies with data in paragraph form, mixed sets combining charts and text, and data sufficiency questions where you will decide if the given info is enough to answer a question. In logical reasoning, puzzle-based and real-life situation questions will be asked. The most frequent topics are arrangements like linear, circular, or matrix-based, games and tournaments with point tables and elimination rule, Venn diagrams for group overlaps, team selection under various constraints, and binary logic, where you will analyze statements from truth tellers and liars. Types of questions in DILR. The questions in DILR will come in sets. Each set will test how well you can organize data and make decisions. Common types of sets are arrangement puzzle-based, grouping and selection tasks, games and tournaments, Venn diagrams, quant-based case studies, graph and chart interpretation, and logical puzzles involving truth-lie patterns. Candidate needs to stay calm and think logically to solve them within the time limit. Now, let's take a look at how the DILR section has evolved in past few years. In 2024, there were 22 questions in 4 to 5 sets. About 6 to 8 were typing the answer question. The difficulty level was moderate to high. In 2023 and 2022, there were 20 questions, but the level of difficulty was moderate to very high. The section has shifted from pure calculation to more logic-based sets in the recent years. CAT DILR difficulty level analysis. The data interpretation and logical reasoning section is often considered the most unpredictable section of CAT. In 2025, most sets were logically complex, but DI was moderate. On average, 2 to 3 sets were solvable. In 2023, the logical complexity was very high and the most students could solve only 1 to 2 sets. So it's important to pick the right sets and not waste time on the tougher ones. Preparation strategy. Here's how you can prepare smartly. Solve around 12 to 15 sets every week. Include 3 to 4 from previous CAT papers. Focus more on games and tournaments, case studies, and logical puzzles. Take 2 to 3 mock sectionals every week to improve the decision making. Track your performance, check accuracy, time taken, and type of the set. Learn when to skip. Avoid sets that feel too complex or time consuming. Daily puzzle solving can sharpen your mind for multi-condition logic. Recommended resources. To prepare better, you can use these trusted resources. Arun Sharma's DILR book for building concept and practicing set. Previous year CAT papers to understand real exam pattern. mocks by Time, IMS, or Career Launcher for exam level practice. YouTube channel or apps like 2IIM or Graph2 for daily logic based sets. And puzzle websites like Puzzle Prime or Sudoku to boost your reasoning. Thank you for watching. For more such updates, kindly visit collegedunia.com.